First tonight, nursing homes continue to be hit the hardest during the coronavirus pandemic. Good evening, I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. In many cases, multiple, even dozens of deaths reported at a single facility. Tonight, we check in with a local CNA who says the latest data is alarming, and she prays the worst of it is all behind her. 12
News reporter Sheena Losciuto has the interview that's new tonight.
Nursing homes deserve better. That's the message from a local CNA. She says she's seen the darkest moments of this pandemic, and after seeing the new data, she worries she'll have to go through it again. For more than 2 decades, Dawn O'Clair has been a CNA at Hopkins Manor in North Providence.
It's a very scary world to live in. You know, every day you go to work, you're outside praying in your car before you go in that I'm going to get through this today.
According to the Rhode Island Department of Health, around 20 residents there have died with COVID-19 since the pandemic hit.
They're at the end of their life and they deserve to get what they need.
The health department also confirms the nursing home has had a handful of positive cases in recent weeks. On Tuesday, Rhode Island reported more than 700 new cases, the highest number of cases in a single day since the pandemic started. That's gut-wrenching to Eau Claire, who was on the front lines as the unforgiving virus moved through her workplace.
When the people you take care of, you learn to love them. You know, we don't do this job for the money, but you know, I worked the COVID unit with another one of my coworkers, and it was just like before our eyes, the patients were gone. It was heartbreaking. They were scared. They knew they were going to die, and it was tough. It was very tough to watch it, and very hard to hold your own composure to try to make them feel safe.
She says she gave her all, but she could only do so much.
I'll be honest with you. If we had staff in the building to help us get this job done, the likelihood of the COVID even spreading through the building would be less.
Dawn has asthma and COPD herself. So far, thankfully, her weekly COVID tests have all come back negative. As cases rise here in Rhode Island, she's asking you to keep the most vulnerable in mind.
People think that if they don't wear their mask, it don't affect them, but they don't realize that the people around them, they could be affected and they could be killing them.
And Eau Claire is not the first to bring up staffing concerns. You may remember back in July, staff members at Hopkins Manor were among the group of nursing home employees preparing to strike over it. The strike was ultimately postponed after the governor promised she would work to find a solution. I'm Sheena Losciuto, 12 News.